Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a slow cooker meal, and it's typically something I think that's done on a barbecue, on a grill, and it's called Huli-Huli Chicken. Now, my understanding is Huli-Huli Chicken was founded either in 1955 or 65. It depends on where you go to read your information. By someone that lived in Hawaii, a businessman, I believe, made it for some friends, and it turned out to be such a hit. This thing just kind of went on and on and on over the years. So, with that, Huli-Huli, again, from what I have read, the word huli means turn. Now, you all correct me on this if I'm wrong. This is what I'm getting from the dictionaries, internet information. It means turn. So when the chicken would cook on the grill, you would turn it and turn it and turn it. I have all of the ingredients that I'm going to put in it. I hope this is authentic. It's probably not, but we'll see. I'm going to use chicken breast, and again, I'm making it slow cooker style. The wind and rain and snow has been wretched here, so I'm not going outside cooking. But I did want to give this a try. So let me get everything out and set up so this doesn't take forever. Okay, I've got my chicken put in the slow cooker, and I've mentioned before that I always just go ahead and put frozen meats into my slow cooker. All it does is you just have to add a little more time to this. And I'm going to cook mine on high for probably 6 hours. Now the first thing I want to do is put my liquids on the chicken that we're going to use. And so we're going to put a little bit of rice vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar. Now, this is going to be to your taste, or you can always look this recipe up. Tom and I aren't the greatest fans of vinegar, so I'm only going to put about a tablespoon. Actually, that's a teaspoon. I'm only going to put about a teaspoon in there. And the next thing I'm going to do, it doesn't call for this, it's a little unconventional probably. I'm going to take a can of pineapples and drain the juice only, because I'm going to use the pineapple itself in a different recipe. But just like that. And I need to put some ketchup in here, or you can use tomato paste, tomato sauce. A tomato product is what we're looking for. And I'm just going to put it over here. Calls for half a cup. You're making your barbecue sauce is what you're doing. However, I'm also going to use some of the Ray's no sugar added barbecue sauce because I like that flavor. I'm using low sodium soy sauce. You would do like half a cup of ketchup, half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar we're going to put in next. But here we go. We're just going to sprinkle this over that. Now we're going to put some ginger and garlic powders. You can use fresh if you would like. I'm going to use, that won't fit. I'm going to use a teaspoon of each. And you can mix this stuff up before you put it in if you want to. And the ginger. Now, something I'm going to add to this again, this is, you know, I'm adding to this recipe, so some peppers and onions. But first, I want to stir all of this around. And it smells really good. I can already tell. It smells really, really good. I probably should have mixed this up before I put it in there. Yeah, probably. But it's okay. But Huli-Huli Chicken, again, from what I have read on this, means turn and turn and turn. However many times you say huli, because that's supposed to mean turn in the Hawaiian language. I don't know, folks. I just read about it and try to do it. But I think this is going to taste fantastic. And I'm going to serve this on some rice this evening for supper. But there, I've got that all stirred up. Now I'm just gonna slice these up and add them to it. I just want that added flavor of peppers and onions in ours. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. If you don't like it, don't do it, because it's not something that the recipe really calls for. But it's very flavorful. I know a lot of people think that when you cook stuff in your slow cooker, it doesn't have a good flavor throughout. But this will have the good flavors. And I just know it's going to taste wonderful. But that's all we do to it. It's really dark outside, so I'm having trouble with some light here. But that's all you put in it. That's all I'm going to put in it. But the original recipe is, it doesn't call for the baby rays. I went back it again. I searched and read up on this. And the original recipe is vinegar. You can use rice vinegar or the apple cider vinegar if you want to. A form of tomato, whether it's ketchup, tomato sauce, tomato paste, soy sauce, brown sugar. I use Swerve. You all probably know that by now, because I love the maple flavor that's in the brown Swerve. Garlic and ginger, and you can use ginger root and you can use whole garlic, up to you. That's what I have on hand, so that's what I'm using. So after this is finished cooking, I'll bring you back in and let you see what this looks like, and we'll give it a taste. But with putting that pineapple juice in there, my mouth is watering. I think that and these peppers and onions is gonna taste delicious. So I'll see you soon. I got the chicken done, and I went ahead and took some white and wild rice, a white wild rice blend, and put it in the juice that was still in the slow cooker. And then I put my chicken back on top of it. So we're just gonna get some of this out of here and give it a taste. Oh, and I also put some bits of pineapple in. Ooh, this smells so good. My mouth is just watering. Oh my goodness. I've got the air fryer going in the background fixing the baby. The grandbaby's here today, grandson. But the youngest grandson. And I'm fixing him a piece of chicken because he can't eat this. It's a little too much spice for that little tummy of his, I think. But look at that. I think I'm gonna add a little more rice to mine. Oops. Okay. I know that Tom is the official taste tester for Nana Sid and Apron, but he has the grandson right now, keeping him occupied while I'm finishing up this video. So I get to be the taste tester. Oh my goodness. Oh, you gotta try this. It's so good. Oh, the flavors that are in it. Absolutely wonderful. Look at that. Delicious. So let's try some of the rice with the pineapple. This is so good, you all. Huli-Huli Chicken. It's on my list of, I'm going to make it at least once a month. Definitely. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, friends, I hope you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you know every time we put new content on. You want to come over here and give it a taste? Since you are the official taste tester, you want to grab you a fork out of the drawer? I'm telling you, this is so good. And I'll take the little buddy from you. Look, Benjamin. Say hi. Hi. Oh, hi. All right, now here is the official taste tester. Chicken and rice. You like it? I absolutely do.
Good boy.
Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna go finish this. I'll see y'all later.
Sorry about the head chopping off there. I've got this sitting up here and didn't want to take it down. So, you ready? You ready to tell them bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? You pointing at it? Y'all take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.